In the heart of late spring, business strategists and curious readers around the globe anxiously await the annual release of the Oracle Review. For decades, this magazine has been revered as the most uncannily accurate predictor of societal trends, technological advances, and economic realities. Each year's edition devoured by CEOs, policymakers, and visionaries who treat its content as a strategic blueprint. The 2026 issue doesn't disappoint. Its glossy cover features a bold headline, 2026, the Year of Bold Realities. Inside, the editorial greets readers with an unmistakable warning. This year, adaptiveness is currency. Early sections detail the immediate future of artificial intelligence. According to the Oracle Review, by mid-2026, generative AI platforms will automate more than 60% of routine corporate communications, from basic HR correspondence to complex supply negotiations, freeing human teams for high-level analysis and creative leadership. Global firms scramble to hire chief AI ethics officers, a new C-suite trend the magazine identifies, charged with ensuring the transparency and fairness of algorithmic decisions. Yet the magazine's predictions are not confined to technology. In a striking forecast, the Oracle Review identifies climate resilience as the defining business theme of 2026. It reports, regulatory pressure compels all multinationals to audit their supply chains for climate vulnerabilities. Companies rush to map every link from raw material sourcing to last-mile delivery, measuring and mitigating exposure to climate risk. Those who ignore the warning find themselves cut off from green financing and international markets. The consumer section spotlights the rapid proliferation of digital health ecosystems. By autumn 2026, over half of the developed world's population will use personalized predictive health apps, leveraging biosensors and machine learning to recommend daily routines. Insurance giants debut real-time wellness discounts, and clinical trial recruitment transforms as decentralized platforms connect volunteers and researchers directly. On the broader social stage, the Oracle Review foresees governments collaborating with private innovation networks to tackle misinformation. AI-powered content authentication tools become mandatory for election coverage and political advertising in the world's 20 largest democracies. The magazine points to a landmark case in the European Union, where a coalition of publishers and technologists standardizes digital watermarking for verified news. The economics column shifts focus to the dollar's position as the world reserve currency. The Oracle Review provocatively suggests an emerging equilibrium, while the dollar remains dominant. 2026 sees the world's first significant cross-border trade agreements denominated in a blockchain-based digital basket.